How to make a new account in Minecraft Java. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a new account in Minecraft Java. To create a Microsoft account, type in the name of the email address, then pick a secure password that you will remember. Now, select your country and put in your date of birth. Hit Next, then check your email inbox. You will receive a code to input. Then, copy it carefully to know that you have access to the email address you put in. Once you've put in the code, you will be taken to a page where you prove that you're not a robot. Confirm your humanity by solving a quick puzzle, then hit the Next button. Finally, you get to choose a gamer tag and an avatar for Microsoft Xbox. If you can't think of a good name, then use one of the suggestions below the box. Once you've chosen your gamer tag and an avatar, hit the big Let's Go button. To create a child account, start by visiting Microsoft.com/family with your existing account. In the Add Someone box, click Create an Account. Start in the Create an Account for the child box, then follow the instructions. Once created, edit the parental settings as needed. Log in to your Microsoft account to play Minecraft. Open the Microsoft Launcher and click the Microsoft Login button. Another window will pop up where you can fill in your email address and hit Next, type in your password and hit Sign in. If you already own Minecraft, you can start playing immediately. If not, you'll be given the choice to either play the time-limited demo or buy the game. Once you've logged in and purchased a copy of Minecraft, the launcher should show a big green play button. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.